Guys, this is how to make slime without activator. So all you need is water. I use sink water, a cup and a spoon, glue, and some food dye. Or you don't need food dye if you don't want it. This is how mine turned out. And my first one turned out like this. At least it's extra slime. Well, you know, like you watch YouTube channels to see how to make slime without activator. It's kind of slime, but it's not stretchy. I'm going to try to make this one better. So first, you pour in some water. How much water you want. I don't really want to waste water, so I just put it right here. Then you add your food dye in. So let me add this in. Okay, after you add in your food dye, my hands are gonna get stained. You will mix up the food dye in the water. And after you don't see no water, well, there is water, but after the water changes into the color that you choose, you don't need food dye, as I said, but I just used food dye because I want to make it like brighter. Then you add as much as glue as you want, so let's add some glue. Okay, the glue is sucking in so the water sucking in my glue, but I added a tiny bit more. I don't want to waste glue. Then you will add some salt. Don't mix it. Add some salt. Let me go get it. Okay, I got some salt. I'm gonna open it up and hold up. Wait 1 second. You add some salt in here. 1 tablespoon. Actually, let's step it up a notch. I'm just gonna guess when to stop right there. I'm gonna stop right there. And then mix it up. Okay, let's mix it up time. If it starts transforming, if we get like this kind, you get chunks of it, and so it gets like mushy and stuff. So I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, as you can tell, these are 2 different colors, dark blue and light blue. So technically the slime is where the light blue is. Right here, that's the slime. So I'm gonna keep mixing it and then I'm gonna show you. Okay, so your slime will feel a tiny bit salty, like salt, a ton of salt, because you added a ton of salt to make the slime actually happen. So there, we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna take out the slime out of here. Oh my god, this is hard. Dude, it's slime! I'm gonna take out the rest of the slime. Okay guys, this is how much slime I got out of there. So I'm gonna take my second one and my first one, connect them together. So this was my first slime. It's kind of hard. This one's way softer, so I'm gonna bam, connect them together. Mix it up. I don't think they will connect together because now they're in 3 pieces. Which one's which? This one, this is the soft one. Let me mix it up. Okay guys, I couldn't fix it, but I cleaned up my area. It's true, if you use the right ingredients that I show you, it might work, and if you do the right amount. So we're gonna check out my Instagram, will be in the description down below. It's awesome_merely21. Peace. Wait, what?